In today's video, I am going to teach you how to multiply numbers in Excel. This is a simple and useful skill to know, especially when you are working with budgets, totals, prices, quantities, or any spreadsheet that requires quick calculations. Excel makes multiplication very easy once you know the basic formula structure. To begin, open your worksheet and locate the numbers you want to multiply. Then click the empty cell where you want the answer to appear. This is important because the result will be displayed in whatever cell you choose, so make sure you select a spot that fits well with the rest of your worksheet. Once that cell is selected, type an equal sign on your keyboard. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign. This tells Excel that you are about to enter a calculation rather than plain text. After typing the equal sign, click the first cell that contains the number you want to multiply. You will notice that Excel automatically adds that cell reference into the formula for you. This helps reduce mistakes and makes the formula easier to build. Next, type an asterisk on your keyboard. In Excel, the asterisk is the symbol used for multiplication. Even though you may be used to seeing a multiplication sign in math, Excel uses the asterisk instead. Now click the second cell that contains the number you want to multiply. At this point, your formula should include the first cell reference, the multiplication symbol, and the second cell reference. This tells Excel exactly which two values to multiply together. When everything looks correct, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly calculate the result and display the final answer in the cell you selected at the beginning. One helpful thing to remember is that you are not typing the numbers manually unless you want to. By clicking the cells, you are creating a formula that stays connected to those values. That means if one of the original numbers changes later, Excel will automatically update the answer for you. This can save time and help keep your worksheet accurate. As a quick recap, you click the result cell, type an equal sign, click the first number, type an asterisk, click the second number, and press Enter. That covers everything you need to know.